This is a big box. It is the biggest I've had here in a while. It is full of mysterious goodies. Anchor is gonna be giving away two of these packs. Like, you will actually receive this variety pack, technology variety pack. I believe it has everything you need for your desk in here. All kinds of gadget goodness. I don't know what's in here. It's a surprise from Anchor. I think it's a variety of their products. How did they describe it? Office in a box. It says office in a box. I mean, I'm gonna peel this stuff off over here so you can see for yourself. It says my name on the top. Executive Unboxer. I've never been called such a thing. I kind of like it. What would that be? That would be like a CEU, the Chief Executive Unboxer, as opposed to a CEO. I got no laughs from Mo on that. He looked at me, he looked back down at his computer, he's very disappointed. We're in time-lapse territory here. This is gonna be cool, I'm telling you right now. You gotta love it. A little extra energy over here, little personality over here. I've been doing this for a long time. I've been doing this for 300 years. All right. Oh, baby. I don't know if I'm supposed to flip it down on its back. What? What? Oh! That's a desk leg. That's a desk leg. What is happening here? Let us. Oh, hold up. Oh, urgent. Welcome to Anchor Innovations. We know you can't be here in the office for your first day, so we've done the next best thing. Send the office to you. All right, this part says get comfy. So I'm gonna, first off, just put this over here. Now I know I should have another, whoa. Can anybody see that? It's one of those, it's one of the ball things. What's the name of this? Newton's Cradle. Welcome to Newton's Cradle. It's good enough for me, I'm out. Yo, I'm out. Yeah, that's good enough for me, man. Oh, I never actually owned one of those. How does it feel? I'm probably just gonna watch that for, probably just be stuck watching that. This is a little notebook. Cool. Anchor Innovation. I'm gonna guess. It actually is a desk in a box. What is this portion gonna be? Oh my goodness, it's a whole outfit. Holy cow! What? Where's Waldo? A tie? A dress shirt? But since you're at home working, you put that's a nice slip. That's a comfy slip right there. Whoa. This is the main attraction. Okay, so here is the main attraction. This is where all the tech products are gonna be that are part of this package. I mean, this is obviously some sort of a custom box as well. 1, 2. I didn't even know Anchor was doing a webcam. That is news to me. All right, this is 1080p 60 frames. Let's check it out. Smart Full HD webcam, Powerconf C300, 115-degree field of view, 2 microphones, HDR and AI powered. So what is this AI doing? Is it gonna track you? Yes. So this is capable of keeping you in the frame. It will actually move and reframe the image if you happen to move around. Okay, I'm gonna just put that to the side, look at the other items. We'll get into it in a moment. This looks like a speakerphone. This is the Powerconf S3 ultra clear portable conference speaker. So it's a Bluetooth speaker with 6 microphones for voice pickup. So if you're having a conference call, obviously, 24 hours of talk time wirelessly with the built-in battery, and 360-degree voice coverage for what they say is up to 8 people. DSP, ambient noise reduction, voice broadcasting indicator light. It will charge up your mobile devices as well. It's compatible with a variety of platforms. These are gonna be the Soundcore earbuds. Don't know which model. Liberty Air 2 Pro, targeted active noise cancellation, so hybrid ANC, 26 hours of total playtime and wireless charging built in. Stunning accuracy and clarity. Hear ID personalized sound, clear calls, once again, 6 noise canceling microphones, 7 hours of playtime without the case, or 26 hours with. But it's not over yet. Powering you to success and a tidy desk. I haven't seen these products before either. What is this? This is some sort of a power station. Everybody needs one of these. Whoa, this sits on your desk. So this is an upgrade over many people's typical ground living power strips. This goes on top, and look how they change the direction so you can fit more on there if it is a power brick that you're plugging in. Smart moves, and then on the front, a bunch of different charge options for USB. So 2 USB Type A, a 45-watt IQ3 USB Type C, a power switch, surge protection. This is the type of thing around the studio here. Something like this get a lot of use. Next up, this looks like a wireless charge pad. Power Expand 5-in-1 Thunderbolt 4 mini dock. Oh, nice. Look how slim and trim that is. This will fit in, obviously, with your Thunderbolt devices. You can imagine this next to a MacBook Pro, where you're limited to a couple of Thunderbolt ports, DC in to power it, a power switch, 3 Thunderbolt-capable connectors. Here is your input, and also a 10 gigabit per second USB-A port, couple of LEDs on there as well. So this is obviously going to expand the potential number of inputs for your Thunderbolt device. Look at the juice. They're not goofing around here. I presume we're fully powering our laptop as well. So lots of versatility there. Charge your laptop, expand the number of ports in one device. All right, we have one more item over here. I think this is just gonna be a Type-C cable or a Thunderbolt cable. It is a Powerline 3 USB-C to C 100-watt capable cable. So that's just gonna be a nice cable. Look at that. All right, so let's check out this Webcam C300. Interesting. Okay, a long cable. Obviously, this is necessary. This is your cover, sliding cover on front of the lens if you want ultimate privacy. And then they've even included a USB-A to C adapter if your device only supports C. Now, the camera has a tripod mount on the bottom. And, ooh, it's actually quite adjustable here. So you can mount it, spin it. You have a recessed location for that USB-C cable. Here's your microphone on the front. As mentioned, 1080p, 60 frames capable with AI functionality for tracking. And the whole thing folds down, quite portable, actually, if you did need to take it with you. Jesus. So I'm guessing it just sticks on the front. Something like that. Feel confident. Okay, so here is the portable conference speaker. All right, so here is the conference speaker, and it's important to note that, I mean, it also just functions like a Bluetooth speaker, right? For listening to music. It doesn't have to be used exclusively for phone calls, for conference calls, but it does that well. It's got a rubber foot down on the bottom so it stays planted. If it lives in a conference room permanently, it stays in its location. This USB port here is going to be used to charge up your phone. So there's a big battery in here. If you're having a bunch of calls in a row and you're running out of juice on your smartphone, you plug it into here, this will charge it up. You also have an auxiliary out to a separate audio device and of course your power input. There are controls on the top here, touch-based controls for phone call, volume, a very quick mute switch, and play pause when you're using this for media. On the front here, you have your power switch as well as a dedicated Bluetooth button and a couple of LEDs for each. And as I spin it around, you can see the wide variety of microphones in a number of directions to pick up multiple speakers. So when you have this on the table and you have people spread around it, the most optimal microphone pointing in their direction will pick them up exclusively. Last but not least, the Liberty Air 2 Pro True Wireless Noise Canceling Earbuds. Targeted active noise cancellation. So it's a variety of different noise cancellation depending on the circumstance. You can see transport, indoor, outdoor. This is dynamic. So if you're outside, it's looking for city-specific noises. Indoors, it's looking for mid-frequency noise, apparently, so voices. And then transport is going to be looking at low-end frequencies, that kind of rumble that you would have on something like an airplane or a train or a subway or something like that. Tiny little case to charge them up. It's a USB Type-C connector to charge this, and one singular button, 3 LEDs on the front. Type-C connector to charge up your case, which then charges up your buds. Whoa, and I remember this from the previous model, a ton, far more than usual number of ear tips to get the right size, from double extra small, triple extra small, all the way up to large plus, and then everything in between. So that's a differentiator with this product. This is a slide up mechanism. That's kind of a satisfying mechanism. So you can see the LEDs kick on and the way they fit in, simple, like this. Slide it down. Actually, that was cool. So it shows, it sees both earbuds. And then we are charging up. Woo! Oh! Woo! Zoomed in. Woo! Oh! Woo! All right, so obviously we have the ultimate setup completely connected and configured. Got the camera mounted up on the laptop. Look at that, it just reframed. Yeah! Ready for Zoom paradise, which is the reality for so many people. I don't want to see you anymore. And just like that, blocked and back. The cool thing is the laptop, you'll see only one Thunderbolt 4 cable going into it, and that's because this unit in the center is receiving power and then distributing it. So we get the versatility of ports, but we also get to skip out on the laptop's dedicated power adapter. That's what this becomes. So the idea being your peripherals, keyboard, mouse, possibly another monitor, are all going into this little unit. And then when you need to take your laptop to go, you remove one cable and you're off to the races. Plus you just got more ports. Obviously, that's the whole purpose of this dock. That is plugged into this unit, the surge protector over here, which is not only powering that little dock, but also currently charging up the speakerphone slash Bluetooth speaker, which we're going to listen to in a moment here. And then of course the earbuds are on the desk as well. We'll test those out too. This is the top trending. This is a track right here.
What is it?
There's a track right here. There's a track right there. It's kind of, I don't know. It's making me happy. I don't know.
I'm dying to hear this.
It's making me happy. All right. So, yes, they have way more low end than the previous. It's a thick sound to it. It's got a good seal for me. Remember, the key feature with these earbuds are they include about 1 billion different sizes, so you get the right fit, and the right fit is a big time key for getting the sound that your headphones are capable of. We don't have to be plugged in anymore. Built-in battery. Ooh. All right. All right. So yeah, obviously, as a Bluetooth speaker, functions perfectly fine, but the magic aspect is as a speakerphone, calling. Volume.
Hello.
Hey! Oh, that was a reluctant. That was a very reluctant hello, man.
Yeah.
You're super loud on it.
Pretty clear.
It's very clear. How about me? I'm clear as well?
Yeah.
Incredible. All right. Now, look, I can just quickly hit the mute switch. It turns red to identify, and now he can't hear me right now. And everybody in the conference room knows that they're no longer on the line. You hit it again. Big time blue indicator. Actually, the blue indicator is showing where the speaker is. Like which microphones are pointing at the person that's speaking. So if I were to turn it, look at that. You didn't know it did that. Look at that. Bye, Will. See ya.
Bye.
There we go. All right. So this one, let's just, the Powerconf S3. So there you have it. It's a nice little upgrade for your variety of desk items, courtesy of Anker. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you can win all the items inside of this setup. 2 people are going to win a care package like this one. I don't know. Hopefully Anker can hook you up with this as well. I actually don't think they're going to send this to you if you win. It's going to be the actual gadgets that you want, but who knows?